Sarura kids.
Happy Easter, everybody. Today it is actually really quite nice. It's a little bit overcast. You can see that the sun is not really making an appearance, but today we are going to do an Easter egg hunt. So I can't wait to see what we can do to surprise Ano, especially Ano, really, because she's really going to get it. And Vongai's probably just going to think, what? And she's not really going to eat the Easter eggs. But we've got a big box full of stuff. Big for one person, really. We've got a big box full of stuff that we got, and we are going to see where we can hide it around the house. So as you can see, there's lots of places where we can hide things. Now Mummy has snuck out so she can get stuff out here somewhere. So we'll start with an easy spot. We'll do a tiny one in an easy location. What do we have in here? So we've got little Smarty mini eggs. So just to make it easy, we are going to put the Smarty eggs just over there in a nice easy spot where she can definitely find it. So we're going to put that there just like it's a little mistake. All right, let's go to another little location. Where can we go with our little bag of goodies? Shall we go by the daffodils? Let's do something by the daffodils. See, there's everyone inside the house not seeing me. Yeah, no, they can't see me. You can't see them, actually. Right, we'll go by the daffodils, and we'll put another one by the daffodils, I think. We'll put a basket, I think. So we've got a basket of Easter eggs. We've got loads of these things. So we've got a basket of Easter eggs, which come in little packets, which are just absolutely brilliant. Yeah, so they're just like really gorgeous little milk chocolate eggs. And we got a variety of them as well. And then we've got the actual little bunnies, which are so cute. They're absolutely gorgeous. So we're in love with those. So we put those in there. And then we got a little, I thought this was so cute, like a little chick. So the little chick can sit inside the basket, which will signpost where it is. And we'll put the little chick, hopefully it can be spotted. What do you think? That's going to be a nice hard one to find. It kind of blends in with the colour of the daffodils. Right, so we've got that one over there, and we're going to do another one where our little bunny lives. Bunnies don't eat chocolate, by the way. If they do, I'd be very surprised. But because we've got a bunny, we're going to put a little bunny over here. So, let's stand it up. Shall we put two bunnies over there? Let's put the two bunnies next to each other. I think that might work better. Because one of them is green, so it's kind of hard to find. So we've got the two bunnies over there. Hop, hop. Let's hop right along, shall we, people? And go round. Definitely something has to go by the sandpit. We're going to go to our really old bench, our garden bench. And we're going to put something on top of the garden bench. Now what can go on top of the garden bench? Something that's going to be easy to spot, because it'll bring her round to this corner of the yard. So we've got jelly babies. So we've got jelly babies on a bench. Yay! And what else can we find? Let's go over into this corner. Hopefully I'm not being spotted going to all these places, because that would not be so much fun, because then she knows exactly where everything is. No, we won't do that corner. I suppose that mirror is really sort of gone, isn't it? Okay, let's go by the sand pit, because we definitely have to put something by the sand pit, because we love the sand pit. Alright, so we will put the big cream egg, the big hollow egg, and go right here. And then we can put a tiny bag of Smarties over here as well. So you've got two, and one can be up here, so it's easier to spot. I think that should work. Now we've got one last basket. So where can we put that? What's another place? Anna likes hanging around here, actually. She quite likes this bench. So I'm going to put them onto this bench, and that'll be our last spot. And in here we've got mini cream eggs and another little bunny. Right, so we're going to put those babies over there. Let's put you over here like that. Right, so I want you guys to remember, in case I forget, we've got one over there, one by the sandpit, one all the way over there on the bench. Remember? One where the bunny lives, in the corner, one by the daffodils, and one right by the door. Awesome. Right, let's go get the girls. Right, so today what we're going to do a treasure hunt. But it's not just any treasure hunt, it's an Easter egg treasure hunt. Now, around the garden, are you listening? Around the garden, we've hidden some very special surprises for you to go and find. Do you think you can find them? Around our garden, inside the garden, where you play? Mm-hmm. Yes, so we have to go and look. So let's walk into the garden and have a look. Yes, there's a doggy over there, but that's not the special surprise. We already said hello to doggy.
My little doggy.
Yes, we can go to doggy afterwards. But let's go inside and let's have a look. Let's have a look. Do you want to walk inside and have a look? Go on.
Wow, here.
What's over there? What's over there? Bunnies! What's that? Are those little bunnies? Little bunnies, hop, hop, hop. Well spotted. Do you want to get the bunnies, hop, hop, hop? Do you want to pick them up?
Oh.
Yes, you spotted something else. Mummy didn't think you'd spot this one.
Ducky.
Because it's hiding. What's that? It's a little baby chicken. Chick. Cheep, cheep, cheep. Cheep, cheep. But what's it sitting in? What was the basket? Yes, it's a chicken for eating. It's a little sweet. Yes, you can. What's in the basket? What's in the bucket? One penny bucket. Chocolate. What's inside? Yes, chocolate. Yay! Yummy, yummy. It's not ice cream, it's a sweetie. But do you want Mummy to open the sweetie and then you can go around eating your sweetie? Okay, so let's give Daddy the bucket. Give Daddy the bucket and he can hold it for you. Yeah! Cheep, 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 cheep.
Chicken.
Don't worry, we'll put them in. Let's go look for something else. What's there? What's there? Wow! That's a really big one. What is this? Wow! It's the mummy chicken, yes! Cluck, 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 cluck. Well spotted. You got the mummy chicken and the baby chicken. Hukune hukwana yayo. But what's inside the mummy chicken? Look. Shake, 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 shake. There's lots and lots of sweets inside here. Right, Mummy has to open for you. What do you think is inside there?
Peace.
There's lots and lots of sweets! Yeah! Lots and lots and lots and lots! Wow! They're called jelly babies. I don't think you've ever eaten jelly babies, actually. So these would be quite fun for you to discover later. So we're going to ask Daddy to hold them for us. There you go, Daddy. Yes, there's chocolate, but there's still more. There's still more. Did you pick up the bunnies over there? Yes, you forgot to pick up the bunnies. Let's go get the bunnies. Hop, 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 hop. Hop, 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 hop. The bunnies are where the other bunny lives. right by the hedge. But these aren't just any bunnies, they're chocolate bunnies. They're chocolate bunnies. Yes, we're going to eat them, yes. But you have to pick them up first. Yummy. Thank you, one bunny. And another bunny, yes. That's the green bunny. So now you have 2 bunnies. Thank you very much. Yes, and Bunny lives over there. Yes, that's why we put Bunny by the bunny. Yay! Those are also bunnies, yes. But listen, Ano, there's still more. I think there's still more hiding in the yard somewhere. Where do you think you might be able to find them? Have a big look around the whole backyard. Where can you see them? Now look all the way around the backyard. All the way, far, far, far away. Can you see anything far, far, far away? Don't worry, Mummy's holding these for you. Can you see anything far, far, far away? Is there anything on the sand pit?
Here.
Is there anything on the sand pit? Can you see anything on the sand pit? Is there anything there? Oh, where are you going? Show Mummy. There's a big bucket, yes. There's a big bucket over here. Yay! There's a big bucket with a bunny rabbit inside it. Isn't that wonderful? Yay! Okay, Mummy can carry it. Thank you.
Wow!
Yay! Yes, there's eggs. Yum, 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 yum. Yeah, little baby eggs. Little chocolate eggs. Now, do you think there might be something by the sand pit? Do you have a look at the sand pit?
Yeah.
Is there anything by the sand pit? Shall we have a closer look? Yeah, they're eggs, yes! And that's a big egg over there. Wow, what a big egg! Wow! That's a very big egg over by the sand pit.
Egg here.
Yes, it's a lovely, lovely big egg. Yes, Mummy's going to open that for you, so thank you. Mummy will hold that.
Mommy, here.
Yes.
Mommy,
Mummy's going to open it.
big
It's a big, big egg, isn't it?
egg.
Yes, Mummy's going to open it for you.
Oh, buddies.
And we'll also open the bunny. But I think we'll probably start with the bucket that you've got. And you can have a little bit of stuff from that bucket. But can you just say bye-bye to everyone?
Chocolate.
Yeah, it's chocolate. Right, sweetie? Say bye-bye to everybody.
Look. Chocolate.
Yes, it's chocolate. It's all for you. Don't worry. Right, sweetie? Say bye-bye to everybody. Say bye-bye.
Look. Chocolate.
There's lots and lots and lots of chocolate. Yes?
More chocolate.
Yes, there's more chocolate.
More chocolate.
There's lots and lots and lots and lots and lots of chocolate. Yes.
Buddy.
And a bunny. Yes. Now say bye-bye, sweetie. We've got to go. Say bye-bye.
Bye.
See you later.
Bye.
Bye. And a happy Easter, everyone.